Have you been to California, seen the sights and people there?
All right, boy, it's certainly got a nice feel to it, and we're moving along at 8 miles an hour, already going downhill. Let's use a little brakes. Remember, mostly your rear brake, not your front brake, especially if you're on gravel or something like that. You wouldn't want to slip out from underneath you. So, beautiful day out here. And, okay, once we go, I'm going to get out of 7th gear here, by the way. That's just no reason to be in the highest speed. It seems like it's shifting okay. And so, okay, we're on the move. 12.5 miles an hour as we're going downhill. Let's go ahead and use the front and the rear brake here as we come to the stop sign. And we are off. So far running very solidly. Everything's looking good here. Very smooth ride. I think we got about 50 pounds per square inch on the tires is what I shot for, a better part of it. And this is the Rad City, remember, so it has about twice the pressure you would on the Rad Rover. Or I suppose the Mini too, that has the fat tires, probably uses about half the pressure. Still in pedal assist number 1. Howdy. UPS. We had FedEx deliver a bike to us. I think they used to use UPS, but FedEx did a good job for us, I will say. I gotta say, this is nice. Now here we are about me 180 my way to another better part of 70 here for the Rad City, and it's just pedaling very easy on pedal assist 1. And you can see right now I have about 53 watts, so we're not taxing it too much. Gorgeous day out here to be alive on a Rad City bike. No worries. A nice spring day approaching summer here in Sonoma County, California.
Towards the sky and count down the ignition into the universe.
I'm happy with the turning radius.
I am just a robot sent to do another lunar spacewalk. A lunar spacewalk. Everything was go, but then I ran into a problem. One of my systems crashed, there was a flash, the light was awesome. And then I went off course, started shaking and I started to roll. Started to roll. Mission control. I'm no longer going ahead according to pace. I'm floating through darkness, lost in outer space. Mission control.
Couple bumps there. I did get a Cloud 9 and another one too that have some springs in the seat, and then if you get the $100 seat post, you know, if you want to go all the way, which has some extra cushioning, if you're gonna have a bouncy ride, and riding for hours at a time is probably a better way to go. But yeah, I have no problem with the way it is now. Little bumps here, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna go through a little sand. Let's see what that does for us. One hand. Yeah, it's definitely got a little slip reach in it, but use some care going through about 7 miles an hour. None the worse for wear.
Mission control. they thought technology would save them from all human conditions, pending wars and all the mayhem. So they spent all the time, used all the knowledge, and they created me.
Okay, let's change the pedal assist mode. Pedal assist 3. Whoa! This baby is wanting to take off. 386 watts. As soon as I just touch the pedals, it wants to go. Okay, here's a little hill. Let's see how we do in this hill. Up to 400 watts as we approach the upper part of the hill. Hey, you can sure feel your friend the battery in that hub kick in when you're in pedal assist 3. 400 watts. Obviously using more than a fair amount of power. We're up to 14 miles an hour. Take it up a little faster. Up to about 17 miles an hour. I'm going to slow down around the corner here. I just don't feel the need for being in pedal assist number 5 unless you're going on a straight road and really trying to make some time. At least for a pleb, a doobie, I think pedal assist 3 is just fine. This road is a little bit, I don't know if I call it ruddy. It's just as though it's a rough sandpaper, or worse. And so I am feeling some of these bumps here. Nothing terrible, but for the factory seat, it isn't the kind of ride you'd want to be in for an 8-hour day if you did have extra batteries. So it looks like as we're going 17 miles an hour and just a slight amount of hill, just barely pedaling, but just used to about 400 watts. Okay, as we get more of a hill, I'm going to give it a little bit more pedaling. Get on the smoother side of the road here, thank you very much. Okay, downshifting to number 2. It went through several gears. Then we click up to about 6. Okay, up to about 4 to 5. And yeah, I think
mankind was obsessed with all their plans now for tomorrow. So they spent all the money and took all that they could borrow. The future was so bright until they sent it all down in this black hole. Into this black hole. Mission control. Mission control. I'm no longer going ahead according to pace. I must abort, or my end will be tragic. I'm losing my signal, getting nothing but static. I'm on mission control.
This is mission control to Alpha 9, over. Alpha 9, please respond. This is mission control to Alpha 9, over. Beta 1, Zulu 4, Alpha 9. Are you out there?
We have our first 1 full mile on the bike. Okay, let's go ahead and head up the hill. You hear that? It's not quite where the derailleur is, right there. A little squeak, gonna need a little adjusting. But this is a steep hill here, so we're pedal shift 176 watts. We're using 5 miles an hour, and I can feel the weight going up here. Back to pedal shift 1. We're in pedal assist 1 now. Coming in for the final landing. And here we are. Well, I'd say that went pretty well. I am very happy with the first time out on the Rad City, and I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. So I think I'm going to maybe, except for maybe a little epilogue, I'm going to go ahead and call that good and put a kickstand down, turn the power off on it, and say, happy sailing. That was fun. It kind of came up on the hill, and I'm going to take a look and see where that squeak was there. Maybe do a little adjustment on the derailleur. And now this got a chance after the first mile to kind of have some things settle in, see if everything's tight, make some adjustments. Maybe even not a bad idea to put some lube on the chain. And what else? Well, that's right. I was going to check those spokes, wasn't I? So tighten some spokes. Then I've got a lot of accessories. You know, women, when they get their makeup on, they like accessories. Us guys, we like to adorn our handlebars with accessories, put our bike lock in, get our saddlebags or panniers set up on the sides. So look for more of those coming up soon. So I think that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the show. I'd like to hear your feedback. Tell us what you thought, and some ideas that you have on how I can maybe do some tweaks and be ready for showtime. Well, I guess this is showtime. So thanks again for coming, and I'll see you again soon. Peace out for now.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there? Walked the streets of sleepy sea towns? Tasted salty ocean air? Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there? Walked the streets of sleepy sea towns? Tasted salty ocean